Let's show off, Marcus. Let's just show WERP. Guys, can we just bring this up? It's up there. This is a wonderful sort of sub-component of the WERP universe, which we don't always look at. And what it shows is the probabilities of a May rate hike. And as you can see, 0.75, the second column is where we're looking. 9.6% today, Marcus. A week ago, 56. A month ago, 78%. Who's to blame for all this? In your column, there was a little blame at Carney.
A little fichon of, yes.
Is Carney to blame or not?
Yes.
All right.
Pretty much. Yeah, I don't kind of know what he's up to, because if it's communication strategy, then it's not from anything I've ever read, because they're all over the place. You shouldn't be having rate expectations. They actually hit 100% at the start of April.
Yeah.
And they're now below 10%. Now, clearly, as a trader, what you should be looking at 100% is you should sell that, because it's, by definition, there's always a little chance. And equally, maybe now at 10%, there is still a risk. This guy is capricious. We don't quite know what's going on with him. It's going to be a split vote for sure. We're almost certain that two of them, who last time round dissented for a hike, will continue. That's McCafferty and Saunders. The question is, what happens with a couple of floating ones? Broadbent's probably the key person here. There are rumours out of BE sources that 5 will definitely vote for no change. That makes it a 5-4. But that leaves Carney in a difficult situation, because he's not like King, the previous governor, who was very happy with having been in the minority. But Carney is a control freak. He wants to control the markets. Yeah. His BBC interview the other week was very much about, I thought, I want the markets to follow me, not me to follow the markets. And that's something which is, in some senses, probably quite clever. He's done this because it now leaves us in a situation with very weak economic data, much weaker, I think, even the central bank expected. Probably in that situation that they won't hike rates. But they never should have been in the first place, in my humble opinion. Nonetheless, he talked us all up. He made it into a big thing.